If your Photopea crop tool is not working, don't worry. This usually comes down to one of a few simple settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get cropping again fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, check the crop mode at the top of the screen. When the crop tool is selected, Photopea shows options in the top bar. If your crop handles feel restricted or you can't resize the crop area the way you want, look for the mode setting and change it from fixed ratio or fixed size to free. This is one of the most common reasons the crop tool seems broken, because those fixed modes lock your crop to a set shape or size. Once you switch it to free, you should be able to drag the corners and edges without those restrictions. Next, clear any active selection on your canvas. If you see those moving dashed lines, also called marching ants, that means something is currently selected. In many cases, that can interfere with cropping or make it seem like Photopea is ignoring your action. To remove the selection, press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. You can also go up to the Select menu and choose Deselect. Once the selection is cleared, try the crop tool again and see if it behaves normally. Now check your layer in the Layers panel on the right. If your image is locked, Photopea may not let you crop it properly. Look for a small padlock icon next to the layer's name. If you see one, click it to unlock the layer. And if your image is sitting on a background layer, you may need to double-click it to convert it into a normal editable layer. After that, your crop controls should be much easier to use. Another setting to pay attention to is delete cropped pixels. This option changes how Photopea handles the area outside the crop. If it is checked, Photopea will permanently remove everything outside the cropped area. If it is unchecked, the crop content is only hidden, which gives you more flexibility later if you want to adjust the crop again. So if you are having trouble with the crop tool and want to preserve your image, try unchecking that box. If you want a permanent cut, keep it enabled. Either way, make sure you understand what it is doing before you apply the crop. Finally, remember that the crop does not actually happen until you confirm it. This is another reason people think the crop tool is not working, when really it just has not been applied yet. To commit the crop, press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac, or click the checkmark icon in the top options bar. If you change your mind, press Escape to cancel the crop instead. Once you confirm it, Photopea will apply the changes and your image should be cropped successfully. So to recap, if the Photopea crop tool is not working, check the mode, clear any selection, unlock the layer, review delete crop pixels, and then confirm the crop properly. These simple fixes solve most crop issues in just a minute or two. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.